a pair of the earring to match the bracelet. 金色的耳钩帮我拿一下。Okay, so let's go. Thank you. So let's see how to use these beads and the spring coin to make the piece of. But I have an order with Mila. Do you think she can let me wait for those? Is she there? Yes, no problem. Because Mila is Mila's link and my life. We are all from the one shop. We're from the same shop, so no problem for waiting for next week.
这个。
不是弹簧的。这里有，我这里有。Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you can waiting, no problem. Okay, here. Okay, here, then let's go to wrap it. This way. We can wrap it here. The piece, then put a small piece of the string. Thank you. The spring, if anyone wants, you can got as well. 弹簧的 spring 的拿每个颜色的拿一些过来。弹簧和 memory wire bangle。Okay. Here we put Do you have any more strings of the white glass pro? White glass pro we have. Wait for a moment. Yeah. White one we have. I'm in happy mood. My mom made me and a homemade cake for my birthday today. Wow. Is today a birthday? You can tell me a ring size. I can make a ring as the gift for you. Okay. You will receive a ring as the gift, my dear. Okay. Yeah, you can tell me a ring size. Then I will make a gift as a ring for you. Okay. I feel not so much beautiful in this way. No. Okay. Happy birthday, dear. Size 9. Okay. I will make it later. Okay, let me see if it's going to be a ring, a earring, how it work. Match with this. Match with the bangle. Okay. I'll put here. Thank you. One more bead. here I'm not pull the wire, I just wrap it directly. Okay. Tight. And fold it, wrap a loop. Fold. Okay, so this is the way. One piece, then we attach with a earring hook. If anyone wanted to get the memory wire bangle, you can type $4. One pack of the memory wire bangle is 100 loop. 100 loop is $4. Okay, it's a very simple earring.